Наружен мощный радар. Контроль разметки. Ограничение скорости 60 километров в час.
Ебать.
The camera was T-boned, going nearly 60 miles per hour. The driver did admit fault to the officer that arrived, which is honestly a rare occurrence. It's very fortunate that they were honest.
Turned it into a Brett Keane thing.
The driver was going way too fast on this frozen road, causing the spin out and near collision with oncoming traffic. I think the driver had set the brakes to Wumbo instead of...
And welcome back to a new episode. Today we will take a look again at insane driving moments from all around the world. And now, let's watch and learn from the mistakes of others.
Volume building up on the 75 northbound, approaching just past University up towards 70. Back up to speed for a minute or two, then slowing down between 64 and 301. No reported problems coming or going all the way across the Skyway between Manatee and Pinellas. If you see a problem on any of our roads, let me know. That's by calling the 1-800.
The semi tries to merge into a vehicle, and little did they know the vehicle they ran off the road was actually a police officer.
The lack of effort. It's time you moved on to bigger, better, tastier things.
The driver must have thought that a blinking yellow means to go regardless of the oncoming traffic. I like how the culprit's lane starts moving right when they collide. Almost perfect comedic timing. Turn signals do not equate automatic right-of-way.
Наши программы в новом видеоформате. Смотрите их в прямом...